Bloating is a condition characterized by a feeling of excess gas in the stomach and intestines, often causing discomfort and a distended abdomen. This sensation can arise from various digestive issues or poor lifestyle choices. Bloating is commonly accompanied by symptoms like burping, flatulence, or a sense of fullness, even after consuming small amounts of food. It can occur occasionally or become a chronic issue depending on underlying causes. Causes of bloating according to Dr. Shanti Swaroop Dhar, Associate Director, Gastroenterology, Hepatology and Endoscopy, Max Hospital, Gurugram. Abdominal bloating can be triggered by several factors, including dietary habits and underlying health issues. Consuming heavy, carbohydrate-rich foods or carbonated drinks can introduce excess gas into the digestive tract. Poor physical activity, infections in the stomach or intestines, and certain digestive disorders such as gastritis, constipation, or irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) can also contribute to bloating. According to Dr. Vishal Khurrana, Senior Gastroenterologist at Dr. 81 Clinic, Sector 81 Faridabad, other causes include aerophagia, swallowing air, carbohydrate malabsorption, and bacterial overgrowth in the intestines. People who experience delayed stomach emptying, food intolerances like lactose intolerance, or consume excessive amounts of dairy, sugar, and refined foods like those made from maida may also suffer from bloating. Additionally, lifestyle factors such as poor hydration, lack of exercise, insufficient sleep, and regular consumption of processed or salty foods can exacerbate the condition. 5 efficient bloating remedies. Ginger tea. By soothing the intestines and facilitating digestion, ginger helps lessen gas and bloating. After a meal, sipping ginger tea helps avoid bloating and discomfort. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil soothes the gastrointestinal tract due to its antispasmodic effects. Bloating can be promptly relieved by drizzling a few drops of peppermint oil into water or peppermint tea. Fennel seeds solve by calming the gastrointestinal tract's muscles. Chewing on fennel seeds or sipping fennel tea after meals helps lessen gas accumulation and bloating. Drink warm lemon water. The body processes meals more effectively and digestion is stimulated when warm water is combined with lemon, which lowers the risk of bloating. Eat foods high in probiotics. Probiotics found in foods like yogurt and fermented veggies support a healthy gut flora and can aid in reducing bloating caused by poor digestion. Precautions for bloating. To alleviate bloating, individuals can take several steps to improve their digestion and overall lifestyle. Managing pre-existing conditions such as diabetes or thyroid disorders is crucial. Modifying dietary habits by eliminating food intolerances, limiting sugar and salt intake, and avoiding alcohol can reduce symptoms. Reducing milk in tea or coffee and eating probiotic-rich foods can promote gut health. Regular physical activity, such as a 30-minute daily walk, and adequate water intake help prevent constipation and improve digestion. Eating slowly, maintaining gaps between meals, avoiding processed foods, and relying on natural sugars instead of refined sugars are also helpful practices. If necessary, medications for constipation may be required, and smoking cessation is advised to further prevent bloating.